Kids World, positively for kids.
Eh, 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 eh. If.
Yay!
If you run, you win. If you want to win, you must try. Omar and Ava stand at the starting line. If you run, you win, says their coach. The whistle blows. If you run fast, you get ahead. Omar sprints forward. Ava pushes harder. The finish line is close. If they keep going, they can do it. If you believe in yourself, you can win, shouts their coach. They push up the hill. If they slow down, they might lose. They run down the last stretch. If they give their best, they will finish strong. Ava crosses first. Omar follows. If we try, we succeed. Come celebrate with us. They cheer. What a great race!
Kids World, positively for kids.
Hi friends, let's listen to a fun story with the VC word is. Sound it out with us.
Eh, 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 eh. S, s, s. Is.
Yay!
Lily sunny day. The sun is hot. Lily is at the beach. The sand is soft under her feet. The water is blue and cool. She splashes in the waves. A fish is swimming nearby. Her hat is on her head. Her towel is on the sand. Her ice cream is melting fast. The day is fun. The sky is bright. Lily is happy at the beach.
Kids World, positively for kids.
Let's listen to a short story. Count how many times you hear the word it in the story.
Eh, 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 eh. Ch, 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 ch. It.
Yay!
Mia and the red ball. Mia finds a red ball. It is round and shiny. She picks it up and smiles. She throws it high. It bounces on the grass. Her dog Max runs after it. Max grabs it in his mouth. He drops it at Mia's feet. She kicks it far. The ball lands near a tree. Mia and Max run to get it. They play with it all day. What a fun time with it.
Kids World, positively for kids.
Today's VC word is in. Sound it out. Then listen for the word in this story.
Eh, 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 eh. N, 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 n. In.
Yay!
Ben is in the box. A big red fox jumps in the box too. Then a small hen hops in the box. The box is full. Ben peeks in. The fox curls in a bowl. The hen sits in the corner. Ben laughs in the box. The fox grins in the box. The hen clucks in the box. What a fun day in the box.
Kids World, positively for kids.